Wait.
Anything for you, baby, 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 you are your friend, yeah, baby, baby.
Anywho, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caribbean, darling. Period. It's been a while. It's really been a while since I've done a reaction video. Okay? But anywho, before we talk about that, let's talk about the corona. Corona got everybody in quarantine. I'm not gonna complain though.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real! Woo!
But I feel bad for those who got the corona, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, let's get back to the video. So today I'm gonna be doing a reaction video. Okay, we're gonna be reacting to the lady who cooks her lasagna and her nasty dishwasher. You're nasty. If you seeing this, you're nasty. Okay? You're nasty. So today I have on Style 39 Weekender from, you know, my lash company, my last business, my lash line. I need to pull it together. Hold on. Let me do a rain check. Hold on. From the only, the official, the only Caribbean lashes. Cop up your lashes. Like I said, cop them up. My website is on its way, so please be patient if you're trying to buy some lashes. Thank you. You know, support the girl, okay? Anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to also add my social media, which will be in the description box down below. Thank you. That's on period. Let's jump right into the video. So I gotta turn this way. So, you know, when I edit, I could put the box here so y'all can also see it. You know, see it. Okay, let's start. Yeah. I gotta get the screen recording ready. Okay. Okay.
I do believe that laundry detergent does run a scam on people. I learned how to conserve my detergent by my method at work, drawing blood. The measurements are very precise. By using the amount that I put inside of the syringe, it weighs out correctly, so I'm not overdoing it.
Hold up. So she think that amount of laundry detergent is gonna wash all her clothes? She better come correct. She better come correct, because that's nasty. That's really nasty. I know. I did my eyebrows for the first time today, guys. Okay, let's start.
I'm gonna save this. I collect lint from
gotta
the
be a
dryer.
joke.
First off, because it's clean. Secondly, I don't have to buy cotton swabs. So I use it to remove my nail polish, my makeup. I'm using the lint right now to apply my compact powder on my face. It shades it out very good.
That is so ghetto.
Just as if a cotton swab would. I am not worried about how sanitized lint is. If the clothes have been dried and ran through the washer and they've been washed, therefore the lint is clean.
You know what? I don't understand. When you know you being recorded to go on social media, the internet, why you make yourself look dumb? You making yourself look like a fool, baby. Get it? Yo, come correct. Come correct. Because this is not cute. That's ghetto. That's really ghetto. I'm not going to disturb y'all no more.
Itself.
Stephanie has countless money-saving tactics. By using just one light bulb that she moves from room to room, she saves more than $60 a month on her electric bill.
Stephanie has a good job. She works at a doctor's office. She doesn't have a lot of money saved up. She doesn't want to spend nothing It's just ridiculous.
And why are you still with her?
I do it because I love Stephanie, and so.
That's love.
In our house, we have what we call Navy showers.
I'm not allowed to take long showers because Stephanie wants to save water for the water bill.
I know you're a booty steak too.
I go in, turn the water on, rinse my body off.
Cut the water off. Lather your body down. Make sure you get every area so you don't miss anything. You can't come back to it.
Turn it back on, rinse the soap off my body.
And get out.
I don't really get to watch my full body. Like, I'm a grown-ass man. I should be able to just get in there and take a manly shower.
If you love her, don't complain then.
To keep her water bill down, Stephanie found a way to make sure Patrick sticks to a 2-minute shower.
Right now, Patrick!
Stephanie has a baby monitor.
I can still hear you.
Damn.
My family feels that my cheapskate ways are out there, but I don't really care. This is my reusable boiling water. Yes, I know it may be a little chunky, but it saves me from spending more money on my water bill by cutting on the water and putting more water in the pot, dumping it, and then doing it all over again. So that saves my water.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
Ew.
Lunchtime. Come on, let's eat.
When are you going to change that water?
I'll change it in due time. Just don't rush me, because the more you ask me that, the longer I have to keep it.
I'll never ask you that
Oh
again.
my god.
Is it good?
No.
You gonna eat all your food?
Oh my.
Well, whatever you don't eat, I'm gonna say. I am able to make the most of every food and drink that we have in this house by reusing. If it doesn't get all drunk up, I pour it back. If it doesn't get all slopped up, I put it back in its container. I'm gonna save this.
That's how people get sick.
Spaghetti dinner.
We do not have to be cheap. We really don't. She has money. I have money. Like, what's the point of being so cheap? Or I understand that it saves, but like, she's being too cheap.
With a strict monthly food budget of $400, there's no room in Stephanie's world for extra expenses, including entertaining guests.
Patrick really wants to have a football party. I am very unhappy.
Now, Patrick, you know your girlfriend is cheap. You gonna let your friends come in and she cook them food and you know it's the leftovers. Patrick, you serious, Patrick? Patrick, you're nasty yourself too, Patrick.
About people coming over to our house.
I really begged her to have people over and, to be honest with you, like, hands and knees.
Having people over to the house means Stephanie's pockets are getting dug into, and I do not like that. I'm not going to change what I do to impress your friends. You wanted this party. You know how things go in our house.
Come on.
No.
Visitors.
Dollars, cents. I'm just not with the whole people coming over thing. I feel very uncomfortable hosting a football party at our house, but I love Patrick.
So you did it?
This football party is throwing my monthly budget way off course.
But I thought Patrick got money, why he can't do it
It's
himself?
not a touchdown for me. When I buy fruits and vegetables, I want to pay for what I eat, not for what I don't eat. There's no need to pay for the vine if all I'm eating is the grapes. That'll do me justice. Probably only need about 3 of these. My bananas, I'm not going to eat the whole of the banana. I eat the banana itself.
By removing the peels, pits, and stems from fruits and vegetables before they're weighed at the register, Stephanie saves up to $3 per shopping trip.
But
I
wait,
have never seen anyone
me too.
peel bananas and put them
Me
in a basket.
too.
That is
Girl, me too.
Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you?
I'm going to be making a lasagna.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to need some ground beef. By any chance, if you have any other ground beef that's already left over.
It's all sold. We sell it on a daily basis, fresh all the time.
Okay, and So there's nothing that would expire?
Oh, no,
or
man.
about to expire?
No, man. We don't sell expired product here.
You nasty.
No true meat market would ever do that.
Exactly.
Can I see what your beef fat looks like?
Sure, I'll be right back.
All right.
Excuse me a second.
Thank you. Wow, and how much would 2
Oh
pounds
my
of the
God.
beef fat be?
Let me cut a piece off and we'll get close to 2 pounds as we can.
She should be ashamed of herself. I'm even embarrassed to walk around with her.
1.97.
And how much is that?
$2.53, ma'am.
I will take the beef fat.
You'll take
Oh
the beef
my
fat.
I'm satisfied with that. I have my ground beef over here. I'm going to stretch out the beef by adding the rest of this, or whatever's left from this, to stretch it out for the lasagna.
By supplementing the meat with the beef fat, Stephanie saved 75% on the ingredients for her lasagna.
This is why we save the sauce.
I would never eat that.
Now, to save money, I multitask with washing dishes and cooking meals with my dishwasher. I just gotta make sure I wrap it really well, or else the food will get wet.
With the dishwasher reaching a temperature of 170 degrees, the lasagna will be fully cooked in 1.5 hours without using the additional gas.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Of an oven.
Who else might put these dishes in here while the lasagna's in the dishwasher and it's cooking. Fish, hot dogs, lasagna. I'm telling you, I do it all the time. Hey, girl. Hey, Stajan.
What you doing?
That is so
I'm
embarrassing.
I'm not very excited. I want to be embarrassed.
Oh my God. You know what?
Come on! Hey, this is the second time we did that. I gotta save money for electricity. I'm sorry. I have to. I have to turn it off when it's a commercial.
No, they ain't having this.
I'm sorry.
They ain't having this. They ain't having this at all.
Stephanie's very cheap. Cheapest person I've seen in a long time. I'll tell you that much.
Come on.
Excuse me, can I use some?
Oh my God.
I thought the walking around with the candle was really insane. I think we could use some light.
Of course.
Yeah, this whole thing.
Yeah, it's good, right?
I ain't see no seasoning.
To be cooked in a dishwasher? The lasagna tastes like water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Nasty.
Why you?
It sounds very embarrassing, very, like,
Why would you call that if you know you're gonna be embarrassed?
she's pretty cheap.
That's your
I
girlfriend.
get the utmost satisfaction being the cheapskate that I am. It's for me and my family, not anybody else.
No, baby, for you.
I don't care
Just
what
for you.
nobody says. It was the Stephanie way, and the Stephanie way is the better way.
That's so nasty. Girl, what is you doing? Oh. She nasty. And the boyfriend embarrassing too. They both embarrassing. That's why they get together. That's exactly why. I don't understand. Like, I really do not understand. That... No way is that relationship cute. No. No. Anywho. Guys, don't be like Stephanie. Please do not be like Stephanie at all. Don't be like Stephanie, okay? That is not okay. Using a syringe to wash your clothes is not okay. It's not. I understand the water part, but like the baby monitor, no. You gotta save your money on water, but no, that's not cute. That's not okay. Like he said, there's some parts of his body that he did not wash. That's not okay. And you're a doctor, bro. You're a whole doctor. Your paycheck should be looking fat. He said he got money, so why he ain't go out and buy the proper things to make? You know what? I'm not even gonna hurt up my head about this video. That's it. We're done. We're really done, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe. Add my social media, okay? And do not forget to cop up your lashes, and that's on period. And I'm out.